Respected judge panel and my dear audience. I am Rohit Kumar Shah and I am here to present you about coronavirus. And this opportunity was given to me by DEET Academy and I want to thank DEET Academy for giving me such a golden chance. Coronavirus COVID-19 basically stands for coronavirus diseases which was believed to be originated from the city Wuhan of China, and the first case was seen in December of 2019 AD. It is a pandemic disease, as we all know. It is a pandemic disease. Why? Because it has created problems all over the world. It has been disturbed the world, whole world. So it is pandemic. And when we talk about the effects of coronavirus, there are two sides of a coin. Like there are advantages and disadvantages. There are 99% advantage and 99% disadvantage of coronavirus and 1% advantage. I want to first talk about disadvantage. Let's analyze the things that will come into a simple life of people. Due to COVID-19, there is demise of people. Around 3700 million people were affected by this coronavirus. Due to that, some people have lost their relatives, breadwinner of the family. Due to that, financial crisis occurred in our country, and financial crisis along with psychological crisis and social crisis as well, mental crisis as well, because people are devastating, people are bored, and people are so in sorrow and pain. And when we talk about unemployment, problem is also created by coronavirus. Due to unemployment, people become jobless and they don't get space to work and to learn. And while talking disadvantage, we can't ignore our education faculty. Education, when the child, my juniors, look at me, I am the student, and my juniors, my seniors, all are disturbed by this coronavirus, and they hadn't get the space to learn. As well as when we talk about the negative aspects, we also have positive aspects. As the author has said once, darkness is the mother of light. So the 1% positive aspects I want to share with you. Due to coronavirus, the family members would get time to spend with their family, spend time with their family. Second, that we have COVID-19, but students are compelled to find a new method of learning. Look at me, I am the student and I am here displaying you or giving you or expressing my opinions about COVID-19, and the judges panel will score me according to my ability which I have displayed over here. What am I doing? I am involving and engaging in active e-learning. This is the benefit of coronavirus. And when we talk about environmental aspects, pollution kills 100 million people each year, and global warming also causes different diseases. But due to coronavirus, pollution has reduced to a great extent, and global warming is also reduced eventually by coronavirus, because there is no means of transportation which are allowed to move in the road. Therefore, and when we talk about I truly believe that it is a hard time, and it is a time of humans to show humanity by being courageous and helpful. There are some symptoms and preventions of coronavirus. I want to mention that one because it helps to aware the people. When symptoms, there are symptoms like fever, pyrexia, fever, sore throat, headache, etc. are the symptoms. Older people having hyperglycemia and diabetes would more prone to it. And when we talk about prevention, there is no permanent curement, but we have prevention that we can prevent ourselves and the world from the COVID-19. That are SMS technique. Follow SMS technique. SMS technique means S sanitizer, use sanitizer, M mask, use mask, social distance, use social distance. We should maintain social distance at least of 1 meter. And when we talk about the negative aspect we have talked, and I would truly want to thank all doctors which are involving in caring patients, because they are risking their life and helps people to save their life. And at the end, I want to conclude my speech by quoting the lines: "Morning shows the day. The God will help us again. And morning shows the day, the God will help us the way, and the time will pass away. And don't worry, my friends, this crisis will go away. Thank you, everyone.